Innovative engineering, world-class portable machining equipment. Your needs are unique, and our solutions are unique to you. Protem is the recognized world leader in the design and manufacture of portable machining equipment. Our extensive range of equipment includes tube and pipe bevelers, orbital tube cutting and beveling machines, split frames, tube squaring machines, pipe facing machines, high-speed cutting and beveling benches, flange and valve facing machines. Special machines for the construction, maintenance, and dismantling of nuclear power plants. These machines help lengthen the life and improve the performance of critical components. Our equipment is ideal for use in extreme conditions, hazardous areas, subsea, ionized radiation, and other specific environments. No matter the conditions, we have a machine that will meet your needs. Our machines are suitable for all materials: stainless steel, mild or alloy steels, duplex, super duplex, Inconel, and virtually all exotic alloy. Protem has a machine applicable to any project: cutting, beveling, facing, counter boring, coating removal, squaring, pipeline construction and repair. We can offer you solutions that meet all your operational requirements. We serve many major industries worldwide, including but not limited to power generation, oil and gas, shipbuilding, tube processing, high purity applications, aerospace, and defense. For over 40 years, Protem has achieved excellence in engineering machining equipment to meet the needs of our customers worldwide. Our versatile, innovative, durable, and high-precision machines have earned an enviable reputation for their performance and reliability in even the harshest environments. We have become the world's most trusted manufacturer of pipe, tube, flange, valve, and specialty machining equipment. Let us put our technical expertise and experience to work for you.
SERCO is your partner for innovative and reliable on-site flange and valve machining operations. For more than 40 years, SERCO has been the leader in innovation and technology for design and manufacture of portable flange and valve machining units. Our knowledge sets us apart, our equipment is easy to use, and extremely accurate. The lightweight, precision, and user-friendly characteristics that represent the most important factors of in-situ machining are also key advantages of SERCO machine. SERCO equipment is used for the construction, maintenance, and repair of flanges, grooves, relief valves, sealing valves, high-pressure valves, down pin extractions, external and internal threading operations, flat seats, conical seats, manholes, diesel and gas engine blocks, RTGA grooves, and more. SERCO offers a wide range of equipment that includes boring and surfacing machines, grinding machines, threading machines, coating removal machines, and special machining equipment. Our innovative portable machining equipment and custom equipment solutions help you work safely and efficiently. All SERCO machines are quick and simple to install, easy to use, safe, reliable, dependable, and have innovative technology upgrades. SERCO machines are able to provide a variety of surface finishes. They are able to achieve a surface roughness of RA 0.8 to 12.5, even more when necessary. Spiral or concentric serrated surfaces and grooves are also possible. These machines are small and lightweight with reduced dimensions that enable them to provide optimal handling and higher productivity. SERCO also designs specific machines for the maintenance and repair of flanges and valves. These machines assist in increasing the lifetime and improving the performance of critical components. Our machines are suitable for all materials: stainless steel, mild or alloy steels, duplex, super duplex, Inconel, and virtually all exotic alloys. Your needs are unique and our solutions are unique to you.